Well, I did it. We've all talked about it. I've done it. I've quit my job. I'm going to travel. I'm going to the Philippines. Wish me luck. Well, here we go. Off to the Philippines.
It's about 5:30 in the morning. That's sunrise time here. I think it's worth it.
Just look at where we are now. This is the Nord Tropic Resort. It's located in Cebu, Mactan area, also known as Lapu-Lapu. Plenty of seating, restaurant, nice pool, awesome view, relaxing sounds. That's what I'm talking about. Well, here we go. Down the boardwalk. Down the pier. Meet up with the bankai. Go scuba diving. Hopefully get trained. And then go scuba diving anywhere. That's the plan anyways. It's gonna take like 2 days. This is the same place where I met Paul. He says up to me from down there in the water, "Excuse me, sir, would you like to go scuba diving?" I said, "Well, heck yeah, let's go." Here's a ride. Morning. 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 And here I am getting a lesson on how to set up gear. Okay, we're almost ready to go. Paul's going to show me a fancy way to gear up. I don't think I'm going to try that today. Okay, so me jumping in for the first time was not very graceful. Maybe I'll do better next time. It was really nice having a private instructor like Paul versus having to go with a big group. Say I want to do this versus having to play follow the leader all the time. It's really nice. And here we have the parrotfish. Funny thing, these little fish with the stripes are called convicts. Convict tanks. And here's Jules come to join us for a little bit of free diving. I was always finding things to touch. Quit touching things, Paul. Here we have a zebra pipefish, closely related to the seahorse. Amazing. Here we have some angelfish. And these little guys were still here earlier when I was doing some free diving. I come back to find them again. And this freaking cool site is a school of serving fish, I believe. What do we find now to touch? It's a clownfish. Found little Nemo. Now we head back for a night on the town of Lapu-Lapu. I don't know which one that was, but I think it may have been one too many.
One more. Okay.
After that, how you finish?
Man, we were really crawling back, weren't we? Well, here we go again. But this time I dive in a little bit more graceful. Going down. Don't forget to check on each other before you continue on. Yeah, I'm good. Let's go. And this little guy is a white nose whatchamacallit. Sure. It's good. Let's go this way. Oh look, what we got here? Let's touch it. Where'd he go? Ching. Well, Paul keeps it pretty interesting down here the whole time. He grabs his chest before he grabs this thing. I tried making horizontal bubble rings, but I definitely couldn't do it as good as Paul. What are we playing with now? This is a frogfish. It's closely related to a stonefish, but it doesn't have the spines. Some of them can be poisonous. I'm not sure about this one. Here we have a mean looking urchin. Sadly, I only got time-lapse footage. It doesn't do justice of how fluorescent flames on the side are. You always want to wear shoes in the water walking around the Philippines. They're notorious for having urchins out there. Okay, we're back at the boat now. It's time for some fun. Paul's going to do his front side flip tide. This time we brought the drinks with us. We're going to have some fun with some suds. Nothing like a cold beverage after a hard swim. way. These next few clips here were all done by the boat crew freediving. Thanks. I just want to go ahead and thank Paul and the boat crew for an unforgettable dive. Time for a nap. Okay, who do you think makes a better sheriff? Here, Jules wanted to try scuba diving. Do some free diving, see if we can spot those angel fish again. If you're looking to go scuba diving and you're in the Cebu, Mactan, Lapu area, for those three, get Paul to take you.